Adding milestones in Microsoft Project is crucial for making significant events or achievements in your project timeline. Here's how to do it. Open your project, launch Microsoft Project, open Microsoft Project and load your existing project or start a new one. Access the task view, go to Gantt chart view. Ensure you are in the Gantt chart view by selecting View, Gantt chart. This view provides a visual representation of your project timeline. Add a milestone. Enter a new task. Click on the next empty row in the task name column and type a name for your milestone. Set duration to 0. In the duration column, enter 0 or type milestone. This sets the milestone as a point in time rather than a span of time. Define milestone dates. Adjust dates. Optionally, you can specify the exact date for the milestone by double-clicking on the task to open the task information dialog. In the General tab, set the start date to the desired milestone date. Microsoft Project will automatically set the finish date to the same day as the start date. Save your changes. Save your project. Click File, Save to ensure your milestone and all other project updates are saved. Review the milestone. View on Gantt chart. The milestone will appear on the Gantt chart as a diamond-shaped symbol, representing a key event or target in your project timeline.